Hey y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and this week is our 1-year anniversary in our home. So I wanted to do a 1-year home tour. This is not to brag in any way. It is really just to show you guys what I think, maybe the average person could get done in a year, and so you don't feel so bad if you haven't gotten your house perfect in a year. Just a reminder that it is a process to get everything ready when you make a home. So I am so excited to show you guys what we have done in the past year. I'm going to be asking you guys questions and advice throughout the video, and make sure you stay to the end because I need your help. So let's get started. Guys, this is honestly by far the most embarrassing room of all. I am planning on this being my fall and winter project. I am so undecided between whether it should be like a playroom / office or just an office, and more like masculine for Todd to have a place to get away from us. I do need to store some of Evelyn's bigger toys, like her slide and stuff, because I don't want that in our living room. So right now it's just all of the stuff that's in here, junk on my desk. I'm gonna show you anyway so that you can see how small it is or the size of the room, and maybe give me some ideas when I show you my inspiration board of what I'm kind of thinking about doing. I'm kind of undecided between two different ways. So kind of see what you think. Give me your opinion. Just these two front windows, which I have not put any window dressing or any drapes on. We do have really nice crown molding in here, but for some reason all of the houses that we looked at in Oklahoma have all the exterior walls have this weird diagonal, so that doesn't go all the way around, which kind of sucks. But we have this little horseshoe that we found camping that I put in a frame, and this is a picture we bought at the Grand Canyon. So I'm kind of thinking of going this more, I don't want to say rustic, but the national parks, pretty blues and nature colors and stuff like that for him. We do down here have Evelyn's slide, and you can see all the junk everywhere. All the junk on this desk. And then these are two IKEA, I know, this is literally so embarrassing. Two IKEA Vitsjo, I think they're called, the Vitsjo bookshelves. So I need to really work on styling those. I'll insert a picture of what I kind of think I want it to look like. Definitely, I just got a frame for this. Todd and I had this done when we went to Disney World a long time ago. So I'm gonna definitely put that on the shelves. I think that is hilarious. So this is our entryway and the view when you first come in. And this is just my basic setup for the entryway. I like to decorate this area for seasons and stuff, so it's definitely different most of the time, but that's kind of my basic go-to. I just got this mirror from my grandma and put that up here and traded it out for our sunburst mirror. So you guys let me know if you like that sunburst mirror there better or that black mirror. And on the left side of the entryway is our powder bathroom. I honestly just touched this room. So I put up the Audubon prints, and I have that white bamboo mirror that I plan to switch out. I would really like to do either a really dark color in here or the grass cloth wallpaper with board and batten on the bottom. I'm just a little nervous about doing either of those. So that's, I've included the vision board, but you guys let me know what you think. I'm just nervous. So that's the sunburst mirror that was in the entryway that I moved in here in the hallway. I'm not 100% sold on if I like it there because I have these round items above our television, and I'm just afraid that it's too much round. So I don't know if maybe I should switch one of those out. I'm not really sure. Again, comment below.
So this is our guest bedroom. It's kind of plain Jane right now. We consolidated 2 different guest bedrooms when we moved. So it's kind of a mishmash of everything, just different kinds of blue and plain. I don't want to do too much in here because hopefully in the next couple years this will be another baby's room, God willing. So those are my IKEA hacked nightstands. I made the headboard and our old bedding from our old guest bedroom. This is Evelyn's bathroom that she does share with guests, and honestly, I'm not going to take too much time in here because it's still a work in progress. I'm almost done with it. I'm going to do a full video on it. The only thing I haven't finished is the window piece or window valance that I'm trying to figure out how to, the logistics of it. So once that's done, it will be a totally separate video. If you were around in about January, you saw me redo my linen closet for the DIY and decor challenge. I'll link that video in a card if you want more info about this linen closet, but it's basically the same. And here's Evelyn's room. I'm not gonna go too in depth on her room because I did a full decor tour in our rental house before she was born, and pretty much all the decor is the same. The only thing I have done is remove the gallery wall, and I put this big picture that I had from Z Gallery into her room. I just thought it made it look a little less themey, and I didn't have anywhere to put that big picture, so I put it above her dresser. Are just a couple things left on my to-do list for this room. I want to spray paint this rod gold, which I did in our master bedroom, and I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. And then I also want to add some shelves on the wall above this rocking chair to either put like books or just like little teddy bears or whatever. I just have stuff that I can't display on her dresser and stuff, so I think shelves would be perfect. Now, I will say I am aware that the picture is off from the dresser, but this dresser is just too big. And also, any tips for first-time parents, get a rug that goes right up against your changing table because you spend so much time there that the carpet gets worn down so quickly. So this is just an old bathroom rug that obviously needs to be changed out, but definitely get some sort of rug there. This is our living room. You've seen it a million times. It's open to our breakfast nook and kitchen area. Don't mind that mess under the bar. I was making candles, and that's my candle stuff. So basically everything in here is the same. I did get a couple new pillows. These taupey ones are from clearance at Hobby Lobby. They were $5. And then the other pillows I made. I do still have to put drapes in here, but they're like 120 inches or something like that, so I'm probably gonna have to make them myself to get them to be nice and full and stuff, and for affordable. So that's a work coming, and we don't have a coffee table right now because Evelyn plays down here, and I do need a bigger rug, but you know, that's a project for another day. My side table is pretty basic, just the lamp and magazines, and those remotes are usually hidden because we have little hands around all the time. Now, this lamp I got at TJ Maxx, and I recently saw it on Instagram painted gold, so tell me what you guys think. Should I lighten it up with gold paint? And then we also just got this from, it was my cousin's. It's like 20 years old and super beat up, but Evelyn loves it so much. We have had so much fun with it, so I need to paint it white. That is another project that needs to be done. But we have this little, you know, cutout space that it's perfect for. In our kitchen, the only thing I've changed is putting those 4 blue and white plates up above the stove area. My favorite thing in the kitchen is our collection of champagne corks. This used to have our sand ceremony from our wedding, and after all the moves, the sand got like so shaken around that I just threw it away. But I've been saving our champagne corks from anniversaries and Christmases and New Year's, so I love having those in there. And you may have seen our kitchen, but you probably haven't seen our pantry. This is, again, yes, it's a work in progress. So I'm hoping that this will be finished and be a video very soon. This is Evelyn's toys and book storage. It's not super pretty, but it's super functional. So I'll link to another video that I have about that in a card also. We just got this picture from our vacation in Florida. It still needs to be framed, and I'm going to move that to the entryway, right across on the wall opposite of the entryway table. So that needs a frame, but that's expensive. And then above there, I want to put shelves up so I can put little tchotchkes and whatnot. And in our master bedroom, I don't know if you guys have seen this too much, maybe just me making the bed and clean with me's and stuff. So it's all like mixed metals and neutrals, and I love it in here. This is one of my favorite rooms. If you've seen my vanity organization video, you know that my husband and I have 2 separate vanities, which has been the most amazing thing. That's one of my favorite things about this house. It's a great sized bathroom, and if I've said it once, I've said it a million times. What sold us on this house was the bathrooms, the pantry, and the laundry room. They are like the best part of the house. And that super big shower. I have done nothing in the water closet, and I still have to figure out something to go above our, bathtub. So I want to do some shelves up there. What do you guys think about that? Leave me a comment. Just to put like our Epsom salts and stuff like that. I think it would look better than just art in there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like seeing what all we have accomplished in a year. And hopefully you guys will leave me some comments on the different projects and stuff to let me know what I should do next, or your opinions on, you know, stuff I haven't been able to decide about. And here's where I need your help. As you know, my channel is called Casa Magnolia. That was the name that we named our last house in Arizona. And in the past year in this house, I just cannot decide what I should name it. So you didn't see much of the outside. It's a blue kind of craftsman style house, pretty like traditional. And then you've seen the inside. So if you guys have any ideas of what I should call it, leave me a comment down below. So I am so excited to go through and read those. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.